Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to address dark circles. Dark circles are a common concern, often caused by a combination of factors such as genetics, lack of sleep, and even allergies. The delicate skin beneath your eyes is much thinner than the rest of your face, making underlying blood vessels more apparent. We'll explore practical steps and effective strategies to help reduce their appearance and achieve a brighter, more refreshed look. When choosing topical treatments, prioritize ingredients known for their efficacy. Caffeine, for instance, helps constrict blood vessels, reducing puffiness and discoloration. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that brightens skin, while a gentle retinol can encourage cell turnover and thicken the delicate under-eye area over time. Remember to apply these products with a light touch, using your ring finger, about 2 times a day for best results. Beyond topical applications, lifestyle adjustments play a crucial role in minimizing dark circles. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night, as rest allows your body to repair and rejuvenate. Adequate hydration is also key. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Furthermore, always protect your delicate under-eye skin from harmful UV rays by wearing sunglasses and applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. For more persistent dark circles, consider advanced options. A simple cold compress applied for 10 to 15 minutes can temporarily reduce puffiness and constrict blood vessels. If you're seeking more significant improvement, consult a dermatologist about professional treatments such as gentle chemical peels or hyaluronic acid fillers, which can add volume and reduce shadowing. Remember, consistency in your daily routine is the most important factor for achieving and maintaining brighter, healthier-looking under eyes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.